Good morning, class. This morning we're going to run you through how to do the music memory lesson from home. There are two ways that you can get to the YouTube link. You can either click it or you can simply copy it and paste it into a new browser. There you have it. Okay, so this week you are studying Traut Quintet Movement 4 by Franz Schubert, who's a Romantic period composer born in 1797 in Austria, and he died in 1828. So you're going to go through the Mighty lesson. We're going to skip the questions that we do in class as a group this week, and you'll go through and hear what she has to say.
Traut Quintet,
Or he.
Movement 4 by Schubert.
And when you finish watching, you're going to go take the quick quiz, which you don't have to turn in any answers to me. You're just going to do it like we do in class. Hold up the answer of the correct answer 1, 2, or 3. And when you finish with the entire lesson, you're going to then share with your parents. Okay, guys, that's all. Have a great week.